Okay, so if you're really struggling with bunkers, here's something that's really going to help you. You're going to take your club, you're going to open it about 45 degrees, grip it normal, take your normal grip, set down, don't change anything, and just swing. What you're going to do is you're going to activate the bounce, you're going to have more loft, you're going to take less divot and less sand here, and it's going to be a much easier shot. So real simple, 45 degrees open, normal grip, go down and go. To push and force a lot of pressure in our hands. So when we force all this pressure forward, what we do is we activate the leading edge of the club. It now digs into the sand. So if I'm playing this shot, and I might have the right ball position, but I've got too much force in my hands, and that's driving that club and actually changing the attack angle of the ball. So we need to be able to add some loft and add some bounce on our shot here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to set up, and I'm going to put some sand on my club face. Now from here, I'm going to take it up, and I'm going to throw it over my back. So I have sand here, take it up, throw it over my back. So what you're going to notice here is I've got this club face open a ton. So as I deliver this club back into the ball, I'm actually using the sole of the club, and it's going to add a lot of bounce. So when I'm playing that there, I have that same feeling of that club opening. Again, I'm not doing anything different than we did before, but I'm just going to add that one extra element of the club face. Definitely got a much higher shot, a lot softer. I could feel it really sliding across the surface there. So very, very simply, club, sand on the club face, take it up, throw it over your shoulder. If you're throwing over yourself, you're probably not doing it right.